Maybe I was confused, or did you feel it too? In that room, it suddenly just felt like it was me and you. 'Cause I forgot about your friend. What's his name again? I really can't recall a single thing of what he said to me. It was just like waking up from a...
Hey you guys, it's Whitney and welcome back to my channel. Today I really wanted to bring you a realistic clean with me. This is going to be a really great video for those of you who have your kids at home with you. It's summertime, we're on summer break, the house is constantly a mess and we feel like we cannot catch up. I hope that I can be your friend today and we can get some cleaning done in our homes together. Now, again, I know it's summer break, we feel like we're constantly cleaning, and I don't expect you guys to get it all done. I know that I can't get it all done either, but I really wanted this video to be realistic. I did get all of this done in one day. Again, I know that's not going to be practical for everybody, depending on what season of life in parenthood that we're in, but I hope that this can still motivate you today. This video is also sponsored by Dreamy Tech, so a big thank you to them for sponsoring today's video. I'm very excited to share this robot vacuum with you guys. It is very cool, and I'm just excited to share it, but we will get into that in just a little bit. For right now though, we are going to be starting out in the kitchen. The kitchen is the heart of the home. This is where I spend a lot of my time being a stay-at-home mom and having all of my kids home for the summer. There's constantly dishes in the sink and just stuff all over the counters. So I wanted to get in here and get some things straightened up before we moved on to the rest of the house. If you are new here today, I really wanted to come on and welcome you to my channel. My name is Whitney. I am a wife and stay-at-home mom to 3. My oldest is going into 1st grade, so he is home for the summer, and then my daughter will be going into pre-K in the fall, which is just crazy. And then I also have a 15-month-old baby girl. So lots of cleaning constantly over here in my house, but on my channel, I focus a lot on realistic cleaning routines, things like that, lots of decluttering and organizing type of content. So if that interests you, I would really love to have you hit that subscribe button today and join our little community that we have here. We have some amazing people down in the comments, and I just love them all very much. And I really want to encourage everybody to leave me a comment down below letting me know what you're up to this weekend, how your 4th of July was for those of you who are in the US, what kind of plans did you have? I want to hear all about it down in the comments below.
Able to tell the truth. No one else can see you like I do. All you ever do is say how far you wanna go. Baby, I can tell it's just for show. Every line designed to let...
Now we are going to talk about our sponsor today, Dreamy Tech. So a big thank you to them for sponsoring today's video. I have worked with them in the past and I love that vacuum mop so much. So I'm very excited to share this one with you guys. This is the L10S Ultra. This one is also a vacuum and mop in one. And what I love about this is it automatically cleans, so you have absolute freedom. You can literally just set it and forget about it. I love that I can just go to bed and from my phone I can get on and just tell the robot to vacuum the house when nobody is down there, and I can wake up to fresh clean floors in the morning. Now, my favorite features about the L10S Ultra is how quiet it is. I feel very confident running this during nap time and at bedtime because I know that it's not going to wake up Maddie when she's sleeping. And it's also really cool because this will detect whether it's on wood floor or hard floor compared to carpet. So you don't really have to worry about it like mopping your carpets. It can sense when it's on the correct flooring and will only do the sweeping when it's on carpet. So I love that aspect. And then it also automatically will add water and solution to this. So if it runs out of water, it will go back to its little home, refill up, and then continue cleaning. And then of course, one of my favorite things about this is it self-cleans. So it will go through a cleaning cycle, it will clean the pads, and then when it is done cleaning, it will automatically dry. So you don't have to worry about any bacteria or mildew or musty smells accumulating on the mop pad. So this thing is just so cool. You literally have absolute freedom when you are using this. You just set it and go. It does its thing. It cleans itself. It dries itself. And all you have to do when you're done is just empty the tank. Now, if you're interested in checking out the Dreamy Tech L10S Ultra, it will be on sale for Amazon Prime Day, and I have a 5% off discount code for you guys as well that I will leave down in the description box. Again, they do have Prime Day on July 11th through the 12th, so don't miss out on the sale. And a big thank you again to Dreamy Tech for sponsoring today's video.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of.
I went ahead and started a new load of laundry, and now I'm going to clean our little downstairs half bathroom that I have here and just kind of give everything a quick wipe down. I'm trying to be more mindful about cleaning this bathroom every day, especially now that all of my kids are home. My son is home. You guys know with little boys how they can be, so I'm just trying to be a little bit more proactive in here as far as how often I'm cleaning it, and I just try to really incorporate that into my daily routine.
Things I love, Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like
We're going to move upstairs now. I had Barrett's clothes that I needed to fold and put away, and then I wanted to get into my bedroom, get some cleaning done in there, and then I wanted to also clean our bathroom and vacuum the upstairs. So that is kind of like the gist of the rest of this video. Now, if you guys missed my room makeover in Barrett's room, I will have that linked up here in the cards. I love how his room turned out. It looks so cute. He's loving it. It's a lot easier to keep clean, a lot easier to put clothes away, and for him to get dressed in the mornings, and it has just been really nice. And I feel very lucky that I was able to do that for him. We are planning on doing the same thing for the girls' closet. I'm not sure if I will film it or if you guys care to see that, because it's gonna look exactly the same as Barrett's closet, so let me know if you want me to film that for you guys. But I'm very excited with how this turned out. You guys will have to let me know what you think as well.
Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss, still burning, didn't know I missed this passion in life, now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile, it's impossible, not melting, irresistible, when I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface, now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've been.
It's a little bit later in the day at this point. I want to say it was like 4 o'clock. My husband had just gotten home from work, and so I was able to really get up here and start cleaning. Now, on a typical day, this is pretty practical for me, but there are times where my husband is working even later than that, or sometimes he's working nights and I'm not able to get it all done, so to speak. So those of you who have different situations than me, I totally understand, you know, you're not able to get as much done, especially if you don't have the help from a significant other or family or whatever. It's very hard to be able to get anything done. So I don't want to make you feel like, wow, I didn't get all of this done in my day, like what am I doing wrong? You're doing absolutely nothing wrong. You are doing the best that you can, and that is totally fine. I was just very fortunate that my husband was home a little bit early today, and I could really get up here and clean our bathroom. Now, this is not a typical daily routine thing for me. I don't like clean or shower every day and like tackle the bathroom every day like this. This was just one of those deep cleaning tasks that I decided to do on this day. It really needed to be done, so I just got it done. So we're going to focus in the bathroom here, wiping down the mirror, then we're going to wipe down the counters. You saw me spray the shower with Dawn, and then I will go back in and scrub it out. So we're going to take a few moments here, clean up this bathroom, and then we are going to mop in here and vacuum the rest of the floors.
Leaving everything behind, knowing there is more in life that I want. Now I wanna embrace life, you and I side by side, knowing there is more in life that I want. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. You're not rising. You're not rising. I sat down by the ocean. It's that tears that I feel, fill up with emotions.
Could I taste them for real? Longing for you, longing for you. Oh, but I can't get back. What can I do? What can I do when your train is gone? I don't wanna go back, back. Don't wanna go back. If you are not with me, hey, do you read me? Go back, back to where we came from. If my hands are empty, hey, do you read me? Go back. I don't wanna go alone. Go back. If you are not with me, hey, I don't wanna go back.
I saved the vacuuming for after I finish the bathroom because I'm weird and I don't like to vacuum a space and then like have to walk all over it while I'm cleaning, like still in that area. I don't know why I'm like that, but I always finish the bathroom first before I come out here and vacuum, and then I'll vacuum my son's room and my daughter's room, and that will actually be the end of this video. Again, I know it's not super long, but I really wanted this to be a realistic video for those of you guys who needed it, because I know we can't get it all done in one day. But anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I had a lot of fun filming it. I feel like I felt accomplished today, and I hope that you guys leave my channel feeling motivated and inspired to get some cleaning done in your home as well. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!